Bonjour à tous. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Learn French with Madame. Today we are going to talk about bien dit de chapitre 7, vocabulaire de à la pêche à Dakar. So this set of vocab is all about like animals and animals that you might encounter while you're out camping. So we're going to talk about fishing animals and things that you might see in a forest, etc., etc. So this is probably going to take 2 different videos. So this first video, I really want to just talk about all of the animals that you might see. And then our second video, we're going to talk about phrases that you might use while you are out. So the first word that I have is la grenouille, la grenouille. And this is a frog, la grenouille. Go ahead and say that word for me, la grenouille. Excellent. All right, up next we have le flamant rose. Le flamant rose. What do you think le flamant rose is? Oui, a flamingo. Prochaine, we have le serpent. Le serpent. What is le serpent? Oui, a snake. Le serpent. All right, next one is la tortue. La tortue. Go ahead and say that word for me, la tortue. Très bien. And what is la tortue? Oui, a turtle. La prochaine is la mouche. La mouche. You've heard this word a lot already when we play the game Tuons les mouches. It's kill the flies or fly swatters. So la mouche is a fly. Go ahead and say that word for me. La mouche. Très bien. Our next word is le pélican. Le pélican. C'est facile. What is le pélican? Oui, it's a pelican. Excellent. Up next is le lézard. Le lézard. What is le lézard? Oui, a lizard. Très bien. Je n'aime pas les lézards. I do not like lizards. La prochaine is l'oiseau. L'oiseau. What is l'oiseau? Oui, it's a bird. Et aller à la pêche, c'est une petite phrase. This is a little phrase. Aller à la pêche is the word to go fishing. Aller à la pêche, to go fishing. Go ahead and repeat this word after me. So we have aller à la pêche. All right, now let's say it all together. I'll say it and then you say it. Aller à la pêche. Très bien. Next, we have attraper un poisson. Attraper un poisson. This is a verb to do something. So attraper, we've learned already. Attraper is the verb to catch. And un poisson, we should remember, is a fish. So attraper un poisson is the word to catch a fish. Prochaine is la fleur. La fleur. And you've seen this word lots of times already, so this should be a bit of a review too. La fleur is flower. Go ahead and say that word for me. La fleur. Excellent. Prochaine is l'arbre. L'arbre. This word you might have seen already before in Duolingo, but you might not have as well. Depends on where you're at in the tree. Get it? Tree. Because l'arbre is tree. So l'arbre. Go ahead and say that word with me. L'arbre. Excellent. La prochaine is l'insecte. Et ça, c'est un insecte. And ce sont les insectes. So we have l'insecte, which is just one, and les insectes, which are all of them. So l'insecte, an insect, and les insectes, the insects. Prochaine is le bois. This can be kind of confusing. Le bois is woods, like the wooded, like the forest, if you will, but it doesn't mean forest. So if you think you're going camping and you camp out in the woods, that's what it means. There's a different word for forest, which is la forêt, but le bois is the word for the woods. So if you're going looking in the woods for something, or you're looking for, I don't know, a deer, you would look in le bois. Okay? And prochaine, we have l'araignée. L'araignée. What is l'araignée? Oui, spider. Est-ce que tu aimes les araignées? Answer that question for me. Est-ce que tu aimes les araignées? Moi, je déteste les araignées. I hate spiders. No merci. No thank you. Next, we have le sentier. Le sentier is the path. So le sentier is something that you would walk on. Le sentier, the path. Go ahead and say that word for me. Le sentier. Très bien. All right, and that's all that I wanted to talk about for today. So our next video, we're going to talk about phrases such as the day after tomorrow, après-demain. We're going to talk about very soon, the next time, etc., with some extra vocab words like river, forest, and mosquito, and etc. Mais c'est tout pour aujourd'hui, but that's it for today. I only wanted to cover part of this vocab, and then we'll cover the rest of it in our next video lesson. C'est tout et à plus!